I will discuss about 5 suggestion for way to avoid the spread of COVID-19 before the nurse give action to the patient so that the patient remains safe. Okay, without a lot of story, I will start with the first one. First one, nurse asked salt to wash your hand. Wash your hand before or after nurse. The nurse touch the patient. The thing the nurse must do is wash hand as soap or antiseptic or hand sanitizer to minimize the spread of the virus that might have happened anytime. Next, to as personal protective equipment according to standard. As a nurse, using personal protective equipment according to standard has become something that must be done every day. Is done the protective themselves and keep spread of COVID-19. In addition to us personal protective equipment, nurse must also do important thing, namely replace or superimpose gloves that have been as one patient with other patient to minimize to spread the accord or COVID-19. Next 3 implement control over the occurrence of patient disease in the waiting room. First time, the application of this control must be carried out. For example, this first can control by limiting the number of patients entry the waiting room. The second, spirit ISPA patient to special waiting room to minimize the spread of COVID-19. Next, 4, giving knowledge to patient in the waiting room about COVID-19 care. The first is that the nurse should information the patient about COVID-19 care. For example, the first nurse can provide information that patient who have illness do not need to go directly to the hospital, because the hospital is very dangerous at this time. That before is should be done for patients who have mild illness that is getting no knowledge rates, taking vitamins, taking education, sleep notes, and eating nutrition food. Next, the second 5 additional preventive measure to patients who are under surveillance by separating the patient care room in surveillance with patient who confirmation positive COVID-19 and then this all I can explain more and less. I'm sorry, and you don't forget like to my video.